Sharon Byrne from Howard Hanna Real Estate Services would like to introduce 1 Maria Lane in Saratoga Springs, New York, located in the desirable Chloe's Way neighborhood. The gourmet kitchen features a multi-layer granite island and countertops, and a walk-in pantry. This attractive home features an open floor plan and a family room with a cathedral ceiling, wood-burning fireplace, transom windows, custom blinds, and hardwood floors. There's a formal dining room and a first-floor study. The magnificent patio and landscaping creates a garden oasis to complement city living. Walking distance to the casino, State Park, Saratoga Performing Arts Center, and downtown. Offered at $559.9. Contact Sharon Byrne today.